Most guys think looking good is all about genetics. And yeah, genetics matter. But here's the truth. The highest paid male models today looked completely average in their old photos. Why? Because they learned to maximize their genetics. You can't change your bone structure, but you can unlock your full potential. And I'm not here to waste your time with fluff. Here are 5 non-negotiable steps to transform your appearance. Trust me, this works. Step 1. Fix your hormones, build muscle, the foundation. Your hormones dictate everything. Your jawline, muscle growth, even your energy. Low testosterone makes you soft, weak, and unattractive. High testosterone sharpens your features and fuels dominance. Here's how to fix it. Lift heavy, focus on compound movements, squats, deadlifts, pull-ups. Strengthen testosterone. Eat like a man, high protein, red meat, eggs, dairy, healthy fats, zero processed junk. Seed oils and plastics. They're poisoning your hormones. Cut them out. Sleep like your life depends on it. Testosterone peaks during deep sleep. Get 7 to 9 hours every night. Fix this first and everything else, your face, physique, confidence, falls into place. Step 2. Sharpen your face. It's not set in stone. Your face changes with body fat, muscle, and habits. Most guys ignore this and stay soft. Here's how to chisel it. Strip the fat. A lean face reveals your jawline and cheekbones. Fix your diet and train hard. Train your neck, jaw, neck curls, extensions, and chewing hard foods, raw carrots, gum. Build a dominant frame. Breathe through your nose. Mouth breathing weakens your jawline. Stop it. Forget mewing hacks. Lean out, train smart, and your face will transform. Step 3. Build a dominant frame posture. Before anyone sees your face, they see your frame. A wide, muscular upper body makes you look powerful without saying a word. How to get it? Train for the V-taper, overhead presses, deadlifts, pull-ups. Wider shoulders, thicker back. Fix your posture. Stand tall, shoulders back. Slouching makes you look weak. Eat to grow more protein, more clean calories. You can't build a frame on salads. A strong body changes how people treat you. Instantly. Step 4. Clean up your face. Small fixes make a massive difference. Most guys neglect these. Teeth breath brush 2x day, tongue scrape, whiten naturally, baking soda plus lemon peel. Yellow teeth, instant turn off. Skin ditch sugar and processed junk. Ice your face AM/PM, wash 2x day, drink 4L water. For glow, beta-carotene, carrots or supplements. Eyes, eyebrows, fix dark circles, sleep, less salt, cold tea bags. Neaten eyebrows, just clean them up, don't overpluck. A sharp, groomed face beats genetics any day. Step 5, mindset consistency, the secret weapon. Most guys quit because they expect overnight results. Here's the truth. Progress, perfection. You don't need to be a model, just the best version of you. Stay consistent. This isn't a 30-day challenge. It's a lifestyle. Train, eat, and groom like it matters, every day. The guys who win are the ones who don't stop. Final truth, genetics load the gun, but you pull the trigger. Follow these steps, stay disciplined, and I guarantee you'll look in the mirror a year from now and barely recognize yourself.